Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sebelumnya saya minta maaf, ada kesalahan teknis ketika merekam, jadi beberapa video tidak mengeluarkan suara. Jadi saya minta izin, ada sedikit yang menggunakan voice over.
Good morning ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you all to Museum Betawi, Slengseng Sawah, Jakarta, South Jakarta City. Before I explain to you all future about our tour for today, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dea Amalia, you can call me Dea for simple. I'm your tour guide for today from Pelni Tour and Travel Agency. The Situ Babakan Cultural Village also has a Betawi Museum location in Zone A. The museum consists of 2 floors and offer visitors an opportunity to see some of the historical objects and replica that have been used by Betawi community. Before discussing the historical of Betawi traditional house, it's better if you know the story of the existence of the Betawi people first. This because it's closely related to the origin of the Betawi house. Betawi itself comes from the word Batavia, which is the destination or name of Jakarta in ancient times. Betawi itself, it's one of the ethnic groups in Indonesia, was extension only emerged after the population census during the Dutch colonial period in 1930. Betawi ethnic itself, a definition as people who inhabit. Betawi itself is one of the ethnic groups in Indonesia was the Dutch colonial period in 1930. Betawi ethnic itself definition as a people who inhabit or resident in Jakarta. The origin of the Betawi ethnic is actually a combination of various tribes throughout Indonesia such as Javanese, Sunda, Bali, Makassar, which were broken by the government the result of intertribal. Jakarta is what eventually became the forerunner of the Betawi community. Betawi traditional house itself its cultural accretion of the people who once inhabit the Jakarta area. The influence of local cultural itself include Javanese and Sundese cultural. The influence can be seen from the shape of typical Betawi house, which is similar to a joglo house from Java and house on seats from Sunda. In addition, international influence such as China, Europe, and Arabian can be seen from the ornaments that make up the house, such as ornament on doors and windows.
One of the elements of identity supporting cultural is traditional architecture that grows and develops along with the growth of the ethnic or ethnic group concept. Betawi now tend to be extended due to several reasons. First, the city of Jakarta is a fast-growing metropolis. Along with it, all aspects of modern life have hit Jakarta, including its modern architecture. Unlike other architecture, which is somewhat isolation from the rapid development of modern life, because its location in the countryside. Traditional Betawi architecture is located right in the metropolitan city of Jakarta, so that Jakarta development has also hit area where there are heritage of a traditional Betawi architecture. Therefore, physically there is pressure on area where there are housed with Betawi architecture.
You see in the right side, it is a rumah gudang. Rumah gudang or warehouse house traditional Betawi architecture of warehouse as a rectangular shape from front to back. Shadow shape from within additional door or typical additional rock to the left and right is one of the distinguishing features of this type of house from other Betawi traditional house. Warehouse house was built being the Betawi people, starting as far back in the 5th century AD when this area was controlled by the Kingdom of Tarumanegara.
Betawi traditional house itself has distinctive characteristic. The hallmark of this house is seen from the wide terrace of the house. The terrace is useful for entertaining guests and being a place to relax for the family. It's different from modern house where the family room is usually inside the house, but in Betawi traditional house, the outside terrace is the family favorite place to have fun. The wide terrace of the Betawi traditional house has a philosophical meaning behind it. The terrace or pavilion of the
Joglo type of house are built by several ethnic groups in the Java Betawi. Betawi ethnic group also built this type of house often associated with the name of village in west part of the Jakarta. Joglo village is believed that Joglo type of house emerged at around the same time just as old as the Joglo village. Although the form of Betawi Joglo house is similar to the architecture of Joglo house found in Central Java and Jakarta. It does not have around pillars to diminish the inner space. In the Betawi Joglo house, the distribution of walls not determined by the pillars known as Borok. Central Java Joglo house was usually by elders home the best were called Bubukot. As a result, this type of house also called Bubukot home.
Hey, do you really like me? Tryna get closer, see, but that's just your camouflage like that. Knowing you lie, spend the lonely night. Better to play games right.
This rumah panggung. This is a stake-like house which is floor does not stick to the ground. The original rumah panggung or Betawi steel house was built by residents living both in the coastal area in the agricultural region. Construction of a steel house is the typical and adaptation measure to the environmental condition and situation. In the agrarian regions, people use the space under the steel house to raise livestock or goats, chicken, ducks, as well to avoid possible attacks by wild animals such as poison snakes. Steel house models on the coast or agricultural area can be similar. Space division and arrangements are not too complication with dimension of rectangle or an L shape, while in the roof is usually consistent of clay details. This beside is the street model. The house has the other complication with dimension of rectangular or an L shape, where the roof is usually consists of clay piles. This space in steel model the house as distinct Betawi style with carvings and geometric patterns such rhombus, glass, miracle, or cycle patterns or sunflowers. Aside from being used for decoration purpose, they are also used for ventilation.
The Kebaya house, or also called the Bapang house, has a room like a normal house. This house has a living room, family room, bedroom, kitchen, and terrace. The Kebaya house is a characteristic of the Betawi trip. The roof of the Kebaya house is in the form of folded saddle. The origin of the name Rumah Kebaya is because the roof of the house from the side looks like fold of kebaya. The Kebaya house is cultural heritage of the Betawi people in the residential sector. This traditional house has been preserved to this day. The foundation of the Kebaya house is made of natural stone to support the pillars of the house so that the building becomes up and sturdy. Tile made of soil is commonly used material for roofing house. Another material that can be used but rarely is kira leaf woven, which is shaped like a saddle with a very low front slope. The pavilion or terrace area is made quite spacious. There are tables and chairs to serve guests. The terrace and the outside of the house are separate. House are separation by arrangement of wooden fences made in the form of a symmetrical triangle. The construction to support the roof or girding is made of gowok wood and half wood, while the eighth beam is made of jackfruit wood. The walls of the Kebaya house are made of jackfruit wood, which are painted in bright colors, such as yellow or green. The doors and windows are made with iron house arranged horizontal. Performing arts venue. In addition to the museum building in the Betawi Cultural Village area, there is also an art stage which is often used to hold cultural performance. Around the stage there are also unique and interesting spots for taking selfie. One of them is Betawi traditional house, a bridge, several gazebo and parks.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about our program tour today and little bit information about Jakarta Museum Betawi. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. Hope you will enjoy the tour with our service. Thanks again on behalf of our company. I would like to thank you very much to have our travel in your trip. Have a nice and enjoy trip to go Jakarta Museum Betawi. See you on the next trip and God bless you all.